What's going on, everyone? Thank you for dropping by. Thank you for watching. Nolasco here, and if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. And today's episode is another day in the Nike factory store, wherein I'm going to check out what we could find on the return aisle. So I hope we could find something really good on this trip to the Nike factory store. So let's move on and let's see what we could find on the return aisle. Let's go. And look what I found already. Air Jordan 1 High Zoom Furless Multi-Black Lucky Green Varsity Red, and they are on retail for $175. The Nike Air Zoom had some good cushioning to give you the extra bounce that take your game to the next level with this remix shoe model. It has some kind of synthetic upper with reflective finish, full length Nike Air Zoom cushioning stitches directly to the upper of the shoe, bringing the responsiveness right up under your foot for quickness, continuous energy return. A rubber outsole enhances traction and durability. The LeBron Soldier 13 Fly is built for off-season hoops, providing responsive cushioning and adjustable strap to lock you in. It has a powerful, responsive cushioning. Zoom Air units compress into the midsole foam when you step, then spring back quickly as you run or jump. It has a precision lock-in that two strap, each with adjustable slip lock, let you fine-tune a customized fit. Easy entry, FlyEase technology offers a quick and easy way to get in and out of the shoe. More benefits is to ripstop fabric in the upper stretch for targeted flexibility and lock you in where you need it. Another good find here, we have the Air Jordan 4 Winter. This one released last December 24th, 2019. This Air Jordan 4 is dressed in bold blue color scheme with black and red accent. These 4 certainly called to mind memories of Eminem ultra exclusive Air Jordan 4 Encore, but differentiate themselves substantially with their material. The underlace and throat swap out plastic netting for a pockmarked synthetic material, while the tongue features a robust construction. Liner offers a woolly, shaggy fabric for extra warmth. Black wings and black midsole detailing finalizes the look. This new design was released on December 21st, slightly higher retail and $200 to a lot for its premium construction. Another LeBron that we found here is the LeBron 17, which has a jag top line, mimics the look of crown as nod to King James. It has the LeBron branded tongue, features with motif unique to the superstar, unique neat posit construction, resists stretching and offers support. 2 Air Zoom pads on the forefoot provide responses and comfort. High volume max air heel offers maximum shock absorption. Moving on this one, we got the Air Jordan 6 Wash Denim, and it was released a couple weeks ago. And this Jordan 6 comes dressed in wash denim, sail varsity red and black color combination, featuring wash denim across the upper, tan leather lands on the tongue, overlay while the red covers on the lace lock. In addition, we have black on the liner and midsole, while the milky translucent outsole completes the look. The Air Jordan 6 Wash Denim was released December 28, 2019. The retail was $200 and it was kinda a little bit high, but still good looking Air Jordan 6. I hope it was on my size. How about this one? Next one is the Nike ever popular Air Max 1. Has appeared in a new Bronze Eclipse colorway that blends earthy brown tones with elegant tweed patterns, offering a look that seems to draw heavily from the world of suiting and traditional menswear. This new style from the Nike sportwear is a sartorial take on the Tinker Hatfield designed classic. The upper base layer takes a stately traditional white and black houndstooth pattern that spread from the toe box to the heel, while the mudguard and midfoot swoosh are equipped with a simple brown suede. Meanwhile, the bottom half is all about contrast. The same eggshell white from the tongue is present on the midsole, while houses the natural tinted Air Max cushioning unit. A tried and true gum outsole completes the look. Lastly, we got the Nike Kyrie 6 Enlightenment. Colorway is the Grand Purple White, and this one just released December 7, 2019, and the price retail is $130. The Enlightenment colorway of the Kyrie 6 toys with the idea of perspective. The heel eye graphic is more visible at certain angles, while the complementary colors of green, red, yellow, and blue are inspired by the camera light filter, changing the appearance of image and films to alter perception. The colorway released globally December, and there you go. We got a good ones that we found here in the Nike factory store. We got a good stuff that has been returned. So if you are looking for some new releases and hoping that you could find something on your size, you might stumble into something really good in the Nike factory store or the Nike outlet store near you. So drop by on your Nike factory store or Nike outlet just in case you are looking for something. You might stumble into good returns. I hope you find this video entertaining and more help you in finding a good sneaker that you will like. So I'll end up on this video. I hope this video helped you a lot. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up. If you are interested in sneaker, definitely hit that subscribe button and also go check out my other video. Thank you for watching. As always, I'll see you on the next video. Nolasco here, signing off. See ya. Thank you and God bless.